Hey, what is up, YouTube? How's it going, everyone? Sparking Market Mark here, and I'm back. Welcome to 2021, folks. How is 2021 so far? So, anyway, I'm here to do an update of the Friday 13th box set. What you're looking at in this right here is where it came with the replacement disc for all three films, which I already did. Starting with, of course, these are the ones that are the bad infected ones. If you've heard already, part 3 had the how do you put it, the introduction of the movie that had what was the word for it, the 3D opening of the movie had, like, the when you open in the opening of the movie, you see the words of the people involved and actors names on them. They pop out in red and then they go like that, and then yeah, that doesn't happen with this one. This is the bad disc one, which didn't do right and the color timing was off. Then Jason Goes to Hell the Final Friday. I'm pretty sure the unrated one, which how do you put the word for it? One of the scenes in the film show the scene where Jason possessing some politician dude's body, and the next thing you know, one of the employees of some restaurant goes outside, and the next thing you know, confronts the possessed dude that is possessed by Jason, grabs his wrist, cracks his wrist, and you see bones and stuff coming out. But unfortunately, it zooms in and zooms out, meaning somebody at Scream Factory was not paying attention. So yeah, that's the bad one, just to be sure. And then for Jason X, the sleeping bag kill sequence had the audio of the girl screaming inside the sleeping bag, but the quality, the audio was a little lower. So yeah, that's in case. And also, how do you get the all three replacement discs? Simple. I'll leave you the link in the description box down below for the discshipment.com. That's the site. You tell them exactly how many discs you want. You're gonna need exactly 3 of the disc. Send pictures as well from your camera, of course, and tell them you want exactly the part 3. Jason Goes to Hell. Make sure it's unrated version, the unrated version, and then Jason X, of course. And also ask them if any of your artworks from any of the Friday 13 movies has a little rip, of course, for instance. Tell them for that as well, and also the quantity, of course. In case any of your artworks got a little ripped either from here or here, you're gonna have to tell them, and also replacement artwork, and you have to send them pictures with that as well. And then they're gonna send you an email about a few weeks later or a week later and verify your address and everything. So yeah, you're gonna have to verify that as well. So what I'm going to show you here is the ones you're going to have to replace, which I'm pretty sure all you collectors out there already know. So yeah, I'm going to send you a link in the description box, down below, and tell them that you're going to need replacement discs. All right? So, wow, that was a bit of a mouthful, but anyway, this is Sparking Marky Mark. But before signing off, I'm going to tell you folks, well, I'm not going to tell you, I'm just going to tell you, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on them, and also, how do you put it, follow my channel to be notified of all new uploads and new videos, new content and such. I'll be back for more video reviews and unboxings, whatever. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Be safe, God bless you, and enjoy 2021. Signing off, y'all. Catch you on the next vid.